What's up and welcome back to another vlog. I know I haven't done vlog in like so many days because I was so busy shooting other things like recipes and challenge videos for you guys, and I just now posted a very delicious matcha latte recipe, so go check it out at tonight's special. And I'm making lunch right now. I'm making poha because we have everything to make poha, and I'm so excited because we have curry leaves and mustard seeds and all that stuff. So because usually we are always out of curry leaves, and poha feels incomplete without curry leaves, so for some reason. So but today we have everything, so we are making poha, and it's a very simple normal recipe. I'm gonna share it with you and let the beautiful day begin. But it began super early, so yeah. Kind of roast the peanuts in the microwave. I just add a little bit of oil, spray them with oil, and then roast it for like 2 to 3 minutes. Actually 3 to 4 minutes. I just did 1 minute. Poha is ready. You saw how simple it was, and we top it off with bhujia and lemon juice. That is how we like it.
Okay, ready?
Yes, ready, baby. Yep. I have 3 more recipes that I need to shoot today, so I'm very excited about that. And mark your calendars because every Tuesday and every Friday my recipe comes out at tonight's special channel, YouTube channel, so you don't miss it. And also just ring that bell icon so you'll never miss it. This is how it looks, topped with some bhujia, lemon juice, and we're ready to eat our lunch. I'll see you guys in some time. Alright guys, so 3rd recipe down. The 4th one I'm gonna do it tomorrow because it's a smoothie recipe and I don't want to drink the smoothie right now. I'm too full. So plan for the evening is basically Nadesh and Ashley called and they said they're making crabs, so we are kind of doing a potluck. I'm gonna make a lemon garlic pasta and take that, which goes perfectly with crab. So that's what we are doing. And my youngest is off work. He is taking pictures for me for my recipe. So yeah. That's what is going on. Today has been a pretty busy day.
Alrighty people, you guys know that Tanya was on the baking spree. Not baking spree, actually cooking spree today. And she has been shooting so many recipes, so stay tuned for those on tonight's special. We just walked Marvel and now Tanya is making lemon zest pasta.
Lemon garlic pasta.
Lemon garlic pasta. And we are going to Yoshu and Ashley's place where we are gonna have some seafood and the pasta. And when I say we, exclude me because I don't eat a lot of seafood. That's what's going on. If you guys do not know, in India her birthday is already started, so feel free to wish her happy birthday if you are from India. And for anywhere else, tomorrow is her birthday here, so we are gonna have a special vlog tomorrow. She has already picked a restaurant.
Yep.
And she has already started getting her gifts, so yes, stay tuned for that. We're not taking Marvel today, but he's like standing right here for his exit. He thinks we are taking him, but not today because we are not going for a very long time. We took him the other day and they played around for like 4 or 5 hours. They ran around in the yard and everything. Marvel, what you thinking? You being a good boy? You be a good boy at home, okay? Mommy and Daddy are going to Yoshu's and Ashley's place and they'll be back soon, okay? You be a good boy. I made the pasta here. are seeing them after a very long time. Astro is having his dinner and she's making the smashed potatoes over here. Alright, I'm gonna taste cotton candy grapes.
Yeah.
I actually got it from
They're supposed
Walmart.
to taste exactly like cotton candy.
No. We're not playing that.
Mmm.
I just tried
What
them.
the hell?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
They are exactly like cotton candy. I don't know what. Oh my god.
You guys have to try this.
Yeah, eating
Your
grapes
kids will
is
love it.
eating grapes is so much fun now.
You'll have to get some.
So good.
What they put on the French fries.
Oh yeah, the
Guys.
French fry.
Five guys.
So this is the for Five Guys fries. Ah. So this is the
So that
seafood
is
mix
also
we are gonna
seasoned.
use. It has shrimp, snow crab, and mussels with special seasoning blend. And she's adding the all-base seasoning, and it's gonna go all over here.
And Astro is right over here thinking some of the crab he may get.
Yes. We are back home and prepping for a good night. We are super full and the food was delicious. We had crab after such a long time. And yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you guys tomorrow on my birthday with my birthday vlog. And good night and bye-bye.